quick update since making the heater replacement for my washing machine and looking at the old element where you can see it's worn significantly here. What I forgot to do is put this on the end of the element. This is obviously a protector plate. You can see it's a little bit bent. Don't know if you can see that. So I suppose what it's doing is helping to protect the element when it hits against the bottom of the drum. Now I've forgotten to put it in. I thought it was welded on there, but it just unclips. But what I thought I could do is take it out, put that back on, and then also put some protection over here. So I started to make something out of, I mean, I could also take this and put it over here, but then it doesn't have this central piece to hold it. So then I thought, using these from a brake caliper, these are the springs for keeping in the caliper, I believe, and I found these in the bucket at where I work. If I took these and modified them, which I did, then I thought I could clip them on here over the point in question. So like this, I created and then I could squeeze that on there. Oh, I've overdone that one. You know, like this. I'd have to modify this one, but you get the idea. It would clip on, and then I'd wire these two together, and that would afford me some protection on this area here. But on reflection, I decided not to do that, for if that was to come off inside the washing machine, you know, it would be between the spinning inner drum and the outer drum, and that could cause a lot of problems, maybe even destroy the washing machine. So I've decided against that, and I'm just going to leave it the way it is. It's working fine. Looking at this as well, you can see why it's shorting. It's because the metal here has, you know, the outer casing has contacted the element in the middle. Now, I suppose a bodge would be to fix that, check the conductivity, cover this up with something, maybe a metal piece of tubing or something, and then turn it around the other way. That would be a bodge. I might consider that next time, because eventually it's going to wear out there again, and I'm going to get the same problem, because the drum is not now completely centered. It's probably hanging down slightly, especially when it starts to spin, because it's slightly weakened at the other end, the spider end. So I'm just going to live with it. I just ran it there just now, and there was no knocking. So as long as the clothes are well distributed in the drum, then it'll miss this. But as soon as I get the knocking sound, I know it's wearing away this element, and I'll have to get another one. Or next time I might try the bodge and just turn it over, so the neutral would be helps the way around, but I don't think that matters too much. And budget like that. I'm not going to use this one because I had to, hack away the seal to get it out. Although, I probably could use it in an emergency. So I might just hang on to it. And of course, next time I could put this back in because... But you can see it's hardly ever... It's not touching, so I don't think it's a big deal that this is not on. I presume it's going to stop the element hitting the drum. This way though, the plastic drum, not the spinning drum, which is surprising. I would have thought it would have been that way. Anyway, unless it's been put on the wrong way, I would have thought it was much better that way. But I'm just going to leave it. I can't be bothered going back in and disassembling the whole thing to put this cover on. So there you go, that was the quick update.